Next question. This is from Abraham. What makes TSP strategies different and more reliable than others in this business? Interesting question. So I would say in terms of technicals, there's not a lot different. I think people think that there's some sort of secret sauce in what we do, but really you're either trading momentum pullbacks, momentum breakouts, you're trading reversals, you're trading reversal breakouts, you're trading mechanical setups, breaking of highs and lows. There's only so many different things. I would say what we do, Abraham, is we keep things very simple. So we don't have tons and tons of indicators. We may be using moving averages. We might add in something like MACD if it can optimize the data, but we keep the strategies very simple. I would say the other thing that we do that's key is that we will make sure that we only trade and test strategies relative to the condition. So we essentially have three conditions that we work to, and these are overall market conditions. And anybody on the Kickstart, you'll be spending week 2 learning this. So if you want to learn this with us, get on our next Kickstart, because this is one of the key things. And one of our room traders, David, who is about to go full time, he said that for him, this was the big difference, was only trading specific strategies at certain market conditions. So I say that's probably the first thing that we do that a lot of others don't. We don't just simply blindly trade pullbacks wherever they are. If we're going to trade with the trend, that has to be in with the trend conditions. All right. So that's probably the first thing. And I would say the absolute key second thing is the amount of data that we have behind what we do. So we will have a huge amount of data behind what it is that we're trading. We won't simply just trade something because it looked good for a little bit of time. We will make sure there's a lot of data behind what we do. And lastly, you will see us trade it. You'll see my account for FDOM. I've got 6 figures behind that. My swing trading account currently, one of them has 5, one of them has nearly 6. So there's plenty of money where our mouth is. The same with Kerry, same with Martin. So the great thing for you is if you're learning alongside us, when we win, you win. When we lose and go through that, you see us go through it and you can experience as well. So I would say they're the 3 things: market conditions, the amount of data that we have on the strategies that we trade, both back tested and live. We're ruthless about that. And then lastly, it would be the fact that we're putting our money with you and where our mouth is in terms of what we do on that. All right.